Hello everyone, I am sharing my shower steamer recipe. This is my favorite one, starting with 2 cups of baking soda and a half of a cup of citric acid. Then I'm blending it all together with a spatula, getting rid of all the lumps. Once completely combined, I'm adding half a teaspoon of mint, half a teaspoon of lavender, and 1 teaspoon of eucalyptus and mixing it very well. At this point, my mixture smells extremely well, but it does not stick together at all. Now it's time to grab my spray bottle and very lightly spray my mixture with water. This is the tricky part. Not enough water will mean that the mixture is not going to stay in the shape of whatever mold you choose. But if you have too much water, like I did with this first batch, then it's going to bubble and kind of grow and fizz, which means it's gonna expand out of your molds. And that's exactly what happened to me. Here I add some dried lavender flowers, just because I thought it would look pretty. I sped this portion up because I thought it was really funny how much it was expanding. And it kept on expanding for hours afterwards. It was spilling over onto my desk and I constantly had to pat it down and try to fit it back into the form, which it did not. Now I'm working on my second batch and I am way more careful about the amount of water that I spray onto my mixture. I try to pack it in tightly because if I don't, it can crumble once it's dried and removed from the mold itself. Now I impatiently wait 24 to 48 hours for these to dry and become shower steamers. Some of these did not get packed as well as they should have been, but they will still work perfectly. The coffee bean shaped steamers are the ones that fizzed out a lot due to the overwatering, and that is why the mold is much messier than the 6-heart one on the left hand side, which I added minimal water to. These should be stored in an airtight container or a Ziploc baggie. Let me know if you have a favorite shower steamer recipe in the comments down below. See you next time. Bye for now.